Got a brew box here. I've just put it together now. I haven't glued it together or screwed it together, but it's been put in correctly. I just want to show you why it's incorrect. The most common mistake is when people put the brew box, they drop a frame in. Okay, this is a super frame, but the size is still the same. But as you can see, the frame is just not quite flush with the box, and which won't allow any other box to sit on. So what the problem is they've actually put the box together incorrectly, and I'll just show you where they've gone wrong. It's these two bits of timber here are meant to be on the bottom section here. You can see that because the bottom section's got a gap down here, and that's going to collect water over time. But I'll just swap them over and I'll just show you what I mean. So as you can see here, I just swapped them over. This one's much deeper, whereas this one's quite shallow. So this one's incorrect, this one's correct. So just remember, the section with the wider part needs to go on the top, because that's where the frames sit. The shallow piece needs to go on the bottom. If you get them the wrong way round and the frames sit on there, you'll find the frames protrude and you put it together wrong. Make sure this one's on the top, this one's on the bottom. And then what I can do now is make sure, not quite square here, I'm not quite in over there. There's more really to show you about the frames. So as we slide these back in here, as we tap them down, they're nice and flush. Top there, they're nice and flush from here. I say I haven't squared this up. I'm just trying to show you the runners really here. So now we've got these flush here. We've got the deep side showing. When you drop a frame in, you can see they're nicely deep in there, and the brew box is protruding over the frame. So don't get these wrong. If this is sticking higher than the brew box, you've got these in the wrong place. Just need to swap them around. The other thing you can notice is you've now got this here where the rain just falls off, so the rain doesn't collect in there.